Hello friends, do you know what this is? This is a drain hose holder. It's used in some washing machines to ensure the drain stays in place. In this video I'm going to show you how to make one yourself, either to replace a broken holder or to make one for use in your garden, to fill your aquarium, your water tank or your above ground pool. A drain hose holder is a very useful accessory, and if you break it, why buy another? Make it yourself. These PVC holders are quite delicate and can break if mishandled. And once broken, they won't work. Making one out of PVC pipe is very easy. First of all, we need a piece of PVC pipe, preferably 16 bar pressure pipe. But if you only have some conduit PVC piping, it will be easier to make, although not as strong. Now, the colors of these pipes might differ in your country, but in my country, this is the pressure pipe and this is the conduit. For our washing machine, we need a pipe of at least 25 millimeters in diameter, or 32. While for our common garden hose, we need at least 20 millimeters in diameter. No matter what size hose you have, what matters is that the hose must be able to slip in easily. The length of the pipe must be equal to a 180-degree slacky curved hose. That is, between 12 and 16 inches long, depending on the diameter of the hose. We mark these ends here, which I will call cylinders, a bit bigger than the original one. Once we have the right length, we stop up the end with a cork or some cloth and fill the pipe with fine sand. We also need a piece of 110 millimeter or 4-inch pipe well clamped to the table to use as a mold to create the curve. Then we slowly heat up the whole length of the pipe. The heat must be evenly distributed along the pipe, so it creates a perfect curve. This is easily achieved with a blowtorch. If we use a weakish flame, moving it along the whole pipe, back and forth. With a kitchen stove, this is not so easy, because the flame is very small, but it can be done. We just must be careful to not burn the PVC, or it will crack where we don't want it to. As you can see, it's quite round all around with no creases or anything. We remove the corks and the sand. Now we mark the cuts we'll make. At each end we leave a cylinder of PVC to hold the hose in place. We have to cut all along this line. On both sides. At the top of the curve, we can either leave a cylinder also to hold the hose there, or we can open it up to create a hook to hang it. If the hose has rubber ends that are larger than the tube, we have to do some cuts to open it up and be able to put the hose in through there. With the garden hose, we don't need to cut open the cylinders. We just pass the hose through there, through all three cylinders, and it'll stay in place. However, it's a good idea to heat up the PVC in these parts so it adapts, it opens up a bit, because in 20mm pipe the hose goes in kind of tight. It's difficult to get it in. So we heat up these parts and that opens up the pipe and it'll go in easier. Well, here we are, our hose holders for the washing machine and the garden hose, made by ourselves. We save a few bucks, recycle some leftover piping, and have some do-it-yourself fun. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.